Remember that the idea is to show you that you can keep adding and adding materials, ideas, stuff, ephemera to your journals. You don't finish your journal the same day. So remember, I have to get rid of the gloss, do a little bit of scratch so it can go. I'm gonna mark with the glue so I can decided to place them into this journal, which has 1, 2, 3 signatures. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Maria here, and as I always say, when you go into a video, you need to know right away what is going to be happening during the video. That's why I'm going to tell you that in this video I don't have anything ready. I only have my Mamacita's journal and a bunch of cuttings, little fabrics, little leaves, letters, and a lot of stuff I'll need to use inside the journal to finish decorating the pages. And as you can probably remember, I have this journal in which I've been explaining some of the things I've been doing, like these different closure with these jump rings that are half of a circle, and I use it in this way. And as you can see here, this is not working very well, probably because I use a common water glue. So today I'm going to reinforce it with this glue that says that is for fabric, for plastic, for wood. Let's apply our tacky glue and let's put it back on place. This journal is very special because it was made out of cards that are referring to fancy ladies, ladies that have always have fun and they dress in a particular way. And as you can see here, these cards were super amazing, colorful and different, that I decided to place them into this journal, which has 1, 2, 3 signatures, and this is what I've been working in today. And I'm going to pretend that I'm not recording a video because sometimes, sometimes we get like, I don't know, I cannot explain the feeling, but being in front of the camera and having a bunch of things to care for is different than when we work alone. But sometimes the best things happen when you work alone. So I got this beautiful cutting, and this combination of colors made me remember this journal. My idea is to make a tuck spot, but let's see where can I do that. Here I left, this is actually a sticker, but I only glued half of it so I can use it as a tuck spot, but this is not actually matching in here. I here place this butterfly inside teacups that I made. This is really pretty full, pretty complete. This is also really cute. Let's see, I need to find something blue and orange, or probably here. I think that this might work in this page. Here I also have a video on this. I'm going to link the playlist down below in the description box of this video, in which I made this step by step in a tutorial, so you can do this trifold too. And here, this was amazing. Also, I had such a great time just embellishing the page using my Posca markers, and this is really magical. I also have a video on that. This is the type of colors I was thinking where to place this, but I'm still not convinced. Let's see, I'm gonna keep it here. And on another side, I have a bunch of nice matching colors with numbers and letters and ribbons that I can probably use for this journal too. It comes to my mind to use this C. What about if this lady's name is Carmen or Catherine or Caroline? We don't know. Let me know, what is your name? Is your name starting with the letter C? Let me know in the comments down below, guys. All right, so I'm gonna start applying this C, and you know what? I'm gonna cover this staple so I don't see that from here. I have these flowers and little buttons in the same combination. All right, yes, this is perfect. And then place the little button there. Really cute, something different, really nice. Now for this part, let's see. I still have orange. I have a tone of blue here, and this is kind of for a baby. It says all I wanted was a back rub. And then the second part, or the back part of the card, went all the way in the back here. Congratulations. What do you think is happening in here? Let me know in the comments. So I have this beautiful lace. You see I have tones of blue inside these petals. I have blue around this black flowers. So let's try to recycle this beautiful lace. And as you can see, I had this on another project, but I want to reuse it. And as I said at the beginning, I want to use a bunch of stuff I have around so I can declutter a little bit, and also I can finish the journals I'm working with. All right, this is it. Later I can go here and add something else. This is not looking too well. No. Let's see. This is a star sign. I have number 2. What about if the lady is going to have twins? No, let's not do that to her, right? What about number 7? No, I don't think I have any option around here. Probably I can add a sentiment down here. That would be a great idea. And let's see. Let's look in this little box here to see what we got. The class, most melty, adorable. Can be adorable. I like that tea or coffee color, brown color in the background, and so I'm gonna put it there. All right, that is another page that is complete. You can always come back and complete and express yourself. This page is a little bit gray. I added a mushroom in here, but I think that is the right place for the oval I have. This can go in here. What about if I leave it just pointing out? Look, showing from the border. It's nice. Be able to see that yellow from the other page. So this is what I'm gonna place here, just like so. What? I love it. I really like this idea. You see, sometimes amazing things happen. So I have this here, and we can always place something inside. On this page, I need something like on the tones of green or brown. That number 4, I love it. It's amazing. I'm gonna go with the 4. This W is also nice. Let's go with number 4. But these are really thick material. So what I do is I separate them. And you know what? This is what I did with the letter C and the X. These were back parts of these 2 letters. You see, I paint them with acrylic and I have extra letters. By the way, I think that these are good here. You know what? I'm going to go with number 4 in here and the contrasting green on this page. All right. Beautiful. Okay, number 4, this is a different material. I'm going to use tacky glue. I think it's better for this type of surface. Awesome. I love number 4, and this X is also a little bit thick. Go in here. This is a little bit messy. The thing is, I don't want to do my nails. Well, this was a fail. No problem. I'm getting distracted by the noise. You can use a lot of stuff that you have around your stash. You can be accumulating, or you can just be using it as a storage or something. But at some point, you're going to realize that you can use anything you have. And the ideas are gonna come and the results are gonna be great. This is from a tea and says, the plants have enough spirit to transform our limited vision. Because usually mamacitas love plants, right? We love plants, especially me. Okay, we can also leave that thread around here. There we go. All right, I got it. This video is coming into an end. I am really happy with the result. Thanks for watching. And of course, I see you very soon in my next creative episode. Please leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you liked the episode and what was your favorite idea from today's video. And I'm seeing a problem here because this is going to interfere with my closing, or I have to go all the way trespassing this beautiful ornament coming out from the pages and just tighten mine up a little bit farther. So let's see. Otherwise, I'm just gonna cut it and that's it. You know what? I need to get rid of this because this is not gonna close. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna glue this on another little space. Don't doubt it. Yeah, I'm gonna show you. What was happening is that it was on my way in between the closures. So now I can do the magic. I see you very soon. Remember, this is your first time here, subscribe to my channel. I always come with amazing ideas and I post videos every week. Thanks for watching and bye friends. Bye bye. See you very soon. Bye friends.